Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Park the truck on level ground and set the parking brake. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts and accidental airbag deployment. Always wait 1 minute after disconnecting. Gather tools: a 10mm socket, 7mm socket, ratchet, extension, flat screwdriver, and a small trim tool or pick. Have a work light and a clean cloth ready. Expect to spend about 25 minutes per side if the bumper and grille are intact and clips move freely. Wear gloves to protect bulbs and hands from sharp sheet metal. Open the hood and locate the headlight assembly top fasteners. Remove 2 7mm screws and 1 10mm bolt that secure the top. Keep the fasteners together. Peel back the rubber weather seal and remove the 2 plastic bumper clips using a flat screwdriver or trim tool. Gently pull the bumper corner away to create clearance. Then slide the headlight assembly straight forward about 3 to 4 inches until it clears the radiator support. Reach behind, squeeze the tab, and disconnect the headlight harness. Remove the assembly, handling bulbs by the base and not the glass. Before reinstalling, inspect bulb sockets and wiring for corrosion or damage. Replace any faulty components. Reconnect the headlight harness and press sockets into bulbs until they click and seat tightly. Slide the assembly back into its mounting location, align tabs, and push the bumper corner until the 2 plastic clips snap into place. Reinstall the 2 7mm screws and the 10mm bolt on top, and torque snugly by hand plus 1/4 turn with the ratchet. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and test low beam, high beam, and turn signals. Confirm alignment and tighten fasteners if needed.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.